Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my first ever wig install. I just wanted to say I do have hair, and I'm going to tell you guys how I got it. It's flat because I feel bald right now. I had to put a bunch of clips in here because my hair wouldn't stay down, but I washed my hair last night. And this is what I got going on. I washed my hair last night and I made like 3 braids in my hair and I slip on it so they could be as flat as possible. I have really thick hair, so I was really impressed on how flat my hair was able to look. But so there's a braid right here, and I don't know how to braid my own hair. And then there's a flat braid right here, and then there's another one like right there. And then I had these clips in to hold it in place. Last night I had to take one out because it was bothering like my head. I don't know how to explain it. It was just bothering me. So I'm gonna go take some freeze spray and I'm gonna like spray all this back. Ew, it smells nasty. Alright, and I'm just gonna brush all that back. This looks creepy. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray it. That's what you're supposed to do. Y'all, this feels mad weird. I feel like I'm gonna get in my eye. And then I do this. Oh wait, hold up, because I'm already messing up. Oh, I cannot see. This time. Okay, so now I have to remove all this extra stuff. I'm going in with, I don't have actual real alcohol, so I'm going in with the green one for like cuts and scrapes. And let me see. It looks like it works the same way. And put it all around my forehead. And it has to blend either way, so I'm just gonna keep on adding a bunch of foundation and hoping that it blends. I think I put too much. Oh well. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to leave this on since I like put so much. And now it is time for me to install it. So I gotta go and watch the video because I'm pretty sure I'm still doing this wrong. Okay, maybe it's, oh my god, I have like glue all in the hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go cut. God. Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel like I have to start all over. Like, I just completely messed up on this. You know what? I'm just gonna go put some more glue right here. This is just going completely wrong. I was supposed to scoot it up more. Now I like pretty much, I have way too much forehead and I have all this extra stuff in the back. Okay guys, so it's like installed now. It's glued on. It's like really on there though. I think I can fix it though. My forehead looks really big. That's how I know I accidentally went too far back, because now it's like actually on my edges because my forehead looks big. So I'm going to style this some type of way. Okay guys, so this is the hair. If you look closely, you can like see the like lace right there. So I'm probably gonna like end up redoing this in like 2 weeks or next week and try to make it look better. And this side is just like all messed up. Like all the hair is just sticking to my face because I went in with freeze spray and then tried to wrap it. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be easy to do. Alright guys, so now I'm spraying it. And this is how it's looking. Don't forget, this light's like super bright, so this is how it's looking though. Honestly, don't really know how I feel about it. I think this was a fail. I'm gonna do a video of me trying to do a second attempt for this because I kind of want to take it off today and then try to redo it tomorrow. That's how bad it looks. Okay guys, so my grandma seemed to like it. She just said I pretty much just have to cut more lace off and it should be fine. But I think I low-key want to take it off and then try and redo it now that I know like what I messed up on. And I feel like having the extra lace is what made it so hard for me. But other than that, it's really pretty hair. Thanks for watching this fail. Subscribe and like.